1. The deep breath phase clarification. Before trying to fix anything, you have to define what fixed looks like. Write it down. Problems often feel larger when they are floating around in your head. Putting them on paper shrinks them to a size you can handle. Isolate the variable. Ask yourself, what is the one thing that, if solved, would make everything else easier or unnecessary? Identify what you can control. Separate the situation into 2 columns. Control your actions, your words, and no control other people's reactions. The weather, past events. Focus 100% of your energy on the first column. 2. The strategy phase tactics. Once you know the problem, use these mental models to find a path forward. The 5 whys. Ask why 5 times to get to the root cause. Problem: I'm always late. Greater than why I leave late. Greater than why I can't find my keys. Greater than why they don't have a specific spot. The root cause is organization, not time management. First principles. Break the problem down to its most basic truths. Rebuild the solution from scratch, rather than just doing what has been done before. The inverse method. Instead of asking how do I succeed, ask how could I ensure this fails? Then, simply avoid those things. 3. The action phase execution. Micro steps. If a task feels too big, it's because the step is too large. Break it down until the next action is so small it's almost impossible to fail. For example, open the laptop instead of write the report. The 2-minute rule. If a part of the solution takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Done is better than perfect. Perfectionism is often just procrastination in a fancy suit. Get a rough draft of your solution out there first.